Alright, so here's another video finally. We're actually going to work on the Hoopty, and right now I'm at my house, as you can see, and we're just going to do a quick compression test to see if the engine is good, and we're just going to go from there, see what we do to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab a couple of tools for the compression test, and I'm going to go ahead and head out to Lewis's house and then work on that thing, which I don't know what sockets, so I'm just going to take a couple of them. Might be a 5/8. So we got the compression tester right here, and I was thinking of taking my piece of shit, but I'll probably end up taking the Civic now since I don't want to move that Civic in the back. So yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys in Luis's house. So we're here. There's the Hoopty, and I'm just gonna wait for Luis so we could go ahead and get this thing started. Hopefully I got everything. I don't want to go back home. Huh? Just got out of work? Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Should I back it up?
A little bit.
Should I turn it around or just back it up?
I don't care. Let's see that smoke again.
What if it doesn't start?
Does it have a gas? What, is dead?
Yeah.
You fucking idiot. You left the fucking battery.
I was gonna start it yesterday, just so just so. And we can't push it back.
Why not?
Well, I mean, it's downhill.
Now push it. Let's push it.
Oh. No.
Damn. Alright, we got it started. We had to push start it all the way down there. Push it, and then he just push start. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get out. Damn it, dude. Fucking Hoopty. Jesus Christ. Right here's good. Ready to go? Stop, stop, stop. Dude, it smells bad.
Huh?
It smells pretty bad. This thing came with a fuel management system. This thing's pretty old, I think, and not too reliable. I don't know how to use this thing, so just fucking pressing buttons. We gotta let it sit for a while because the battery was dead. Damn it, now the fucking engine's gonna be hot. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna remove the fuel pump fuse, which is the 10 amp. And then from there, take off the spark plugs.
Which one is it?
Right there, that one, 10, the middle one.
Huh?
Yeah. Alright, so there it is. Now, start with this one, spark plug number 1.
I have my impact.
Really?
Yeah. Is it on autofocus?
Yeah.
Or you gotta press the button? I have my impact if you want me to. You want it done faster.
Did I? Damn, dude.
Is that soaked in fuel?
No fucking
Oil?
Whoa.
I mean, it could smoke because of that too. Because the valve cover gasket?
Yeah, it could smoke because of that. Damn, that's fucking bad.
Let me smell it. Let me smell it. Damn.
Damn. Alright, so we got it hooked up for cylinder 1. And now what he's gonna do is gonna go ahead and crank it. There might be still a little bit of fuel in the fuel lines, but it should be able to work. So go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah.
So just give it gas too?
Just make sure.
I mean, you're supposed to.
Yeah, make sure you have the handbrake up, and don't fucking run me over.
Here.
Oh, okay. Keep on, keep on. Fuck, I think the battery's fucking dead anyways. So technical difficulties, the fucking battery's still dead. He's probably gonna remove his battery from his car.
My tools are at work.
Yeah, what about these? You got a bunch in here.
Yeah, but which one's a 10?
There might be a fucking 10 here. You don't have a wrench?
Huh?
Any a fucking wrench or something?
Yeah, but I mean that's we're not cavemen, dude.
All right, take 2. We had to do this improvise.
Don't tighten it, just go like that.
All right. All right. Too much noise, yeah. All right, so this cylinder 3.
What do you know?
All right, hold on. Go ahead. Yeah. All right. So this cylinder 4, last one. All right, you good? All right. Damn, same thing.
In conclusion, we got 150 across the board.
Right?
No.
So we're just gonna keep this thing
I mean,
for a while?
I guess we're gonna for sure change out the valve cover gasket because that's obviously leaking,
Yeah.
and it soaked the first plug up pretty good. So we're gonna do that because that may be a reason why it's smoking so bad, or at least can contribute to it. And then we're gonna change the plugs, obviously, and then I guess see how it runs after that, and then go from there.
We should get rid of that, the fuel management.
Oh yeah, the Epexi. What I don't even know. So we're gonna take that off and probably sell it
All right.
to fund a little bit more for this.
So next video is just gonna be valve cover. So
That's it for this video. Take us out, Mario. Take us out.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.